The kind of rates that I guess someone who went to the banks themselves, you're pretty much at mercy of what the person at the bank feels like selling you at that particular moment in time. What we need to be careful, or what people need to be careful, is obviously read the small print. There will always be a headline rate which they advertise on the windows, and then there'll always be the small print. And the small print there is to get that headline rate, which in Spain we call the TIN, which is tasa de interés nominal. You have to add certain products. So the kind of products, in order for you to get the discount to get to that TIN, are things like home insurance, life insurance, health insurance, private medical care, bank account. You have to do all these things. Now, all these products have a cost. And generally, insurances and things like that in a bank are pretty expensive. So what you need to really focus on if you're going to negotiate yourself with a bank is look at the TIN, so that's important, the headline rate, but also look at something which is called the TAE, which is la TAE, which is a tasa anual equivalente, and that's the real cost of the money that you're borrowing. That adds on all the extras. So the opening commission, the actual cost on the interest, plus the cost of the additional products. And these additional products can be quite extensive. I mean, you're looking at maybe 5, 6, 7. Car insurance, you get a discount. So we will see all these things, and that's one thing that we're very cute on, and we're very wise to. We're very good at reading small print. Let's say you walk past the bank. I'm not going to mention any names, there's no point. And you walk past the window and you'll see they're offering a rate of 2.15 fixed for however years, 20 years. You think, wow, that's amazing, but always against the 2.15, there'll be an asterisk. And we all know that means look at the small print. And then people don't. And so you walk in and say this, and then you will say, yeah, we can do this, we can do that, we can offer you this. This will be the monthly payment, but they never calculate, they never tell you what the monthly payment will be once you added on all the extras. Now, if you're paying 150 euros a month for life insurance, you've got to question, well, how expensive is my mortgage really? And if you took all those products away, what would be the interest rate then? And then we're looking at interest rates of 4% for residents. That's the kicker. And that's where we defend our clients' interests, to look at that small print and actually look at the global scenario. The Spanish banks are quite good, they're good at link selling compared to the UK. And so you will need to take some kind of extra product, but we try and keep it down to a minimum. And so you keep your mortgage with us is going to be the simple mortgage. That's your mortgage, and that's that. You open a bank account, you have your mortgage, and then you're free to search the market for all your other important stuff like your car insurance, your home insurance. If you need private medical insurance, then you're free to go and speak to Sanitas or whoever, rather than being tied to the bank on all these things. A mortgage lasts for 20 years, 25 years, or whatever. If you're having to have your life insurance or your car insurance with the bank for 25 years, you're kind of trapped.